Today I'll teach you how to fix your Snapchat not sending notification. So if you're not receiving any notification from Instagram, first thing first, check if your phone's notifications are off. By that I mean check if you have turned on your do not disturb mode or not. So in my case, my do not disturb mode is not turned on and my airplane mode is also not turned on, which means I should be receiving notification. So check that. And if your phone is also not in do not disturb mode or in airplane mode and you're still not getting any notification, then what you need to do is go on your phone's setting. And from inside of setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see Snapchat. Once you see Snapchat, click on Snapchat. Over here, make sure where it says notification, click on it and it is on. And if your notification is on, at the bottom, make sure every single thing over here is turned on, alright? Make sure all of this is selected, make sure all of this is on. Once you do that, just close your setting and open your Snapchat. And from inside Snapchat, you want to click on your Bitmoji emoji at the top left corner. Once you do that, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're inside your Snapchat setting, scroll a bit down until you see notifications and click on notification and make sure all of the notification over here is turned on so you guys can get notification for everything available in Snapchat, because sometimes some of your notifications over here are off. That is why you're not getting any notification. But by turning it on, you should be able to get notification. And if you're still not getting any notification, just delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again and do whatever thing I just did in the beginning by going on setting and all that stuff, and your Snapchat notification problem should be solved. So hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.